Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, hi students, we welcome to this launch meeting. So, we are going to launch internship management system. So, so we have Dr. Prakash Apte sir, retired IIT professor, emeritus professor, and we have Dr. Sandeep sir. We have Manatos sir. So,
Yes, sir. I mean,
yes sir, yes sir. So, so we are very proud of having our mentors here. So let us start this event. So initially I will start with the demo. Then I will hand over to Professor Dr. Apte sir. So he will inaugurate and launch the event. Then he will give the motivation speech to all the students. So let us quickly finish one by one. So let me introduce the Digitron solutions. So Digitron solutions is providing the product development support and the service support in the digital transformation area. So mainly we are working on AI, blockchain, those kind of technologies. So the internships, the purpose of internship, objective of internship, what we have today is to motivate students to do the projects. Finally, the best students will be identified, and we are trying to recommend to industries for paid internship or employment also. Also, we want to some filing some patterns also, and you will be part of our products also. So like that, it's the win-win situation for both of students as well as our company also. So to do the internship, what we launched in the AICT, we have 5 verticals. So blockchain, digital marketing, Android, IoT, machine learning. So students, almost 1,700 students are already registered. In that 950 students, we created WhatsApp groups. And our HR managers, Dibanjan, Devian, and Jeevan, they are conducting exams. So some of you, almost 25% of people, they passed, they already given the exam. So those students are eligible for getting the offer letter. So we'll prepare offer letter and send to them. Uh, then this internship management system will help them to take through different steps of internships. So I will explain this in the demo. Let me start the demo now. So let me start with one email ID what I created. So then I will write my name. So uh, then I will have the password, whatever I want a password. I will set this. So sign up is the first step. So you have to sign up and enter. So here you will get the mail, that is verify your mail. This information will prompt you will get. So once you register this, then if you uh, so let me just open the corresponding mailbox. So then I can show you the mail what I received for when I click on this. So now you see, welcome to internship management system on mail has come. So just I'll click on this. So now it will unlock. So now the registration happened. I'll close this. I'll move this mailbox. So now let us refresh this. Now when you refresh this, Now you see it has come to the dashboard. So let me continue from the dashboard. So some of the scenarios like log out, then login also there. So log out and then go to the, then login is the another function. If you go there, so whatever the mail ID, so then password, so login now. So now also I can go to the dashboard. One more scenario is that, let me try that also. So if you go here, login, forgot password, just enter the mail ID, send recover password link. Just click on this. Email has been sent. So let me open mailbox again. Just a minute. See here, reset password, one more mail has come. I'll just click on this link. So now again, so it is asking to enter the new password. Let me enter the new password. Reset password. So now it is asking to log in again. Let me enter the new password. Done. So these are all the scenarios, just you take care. Then if you go to the interns profiles, you can see different names are, the different people are registered here. You can see many people registered with the different, this category, vertical I told you, AI, RPA, that is robotic process automation, then MERN, AI, then Android, MERN, like these different category people, they registered here. So if you go to dashboard, again, profile, if you go, let me fill the profile. See, by name I'll enter. Then age, gender, project title. Project is internship management system. So as you know, as of now, I am alone doing this project, but very soon some more students will join. So that hopefully, so internship management system. So then category is full stack web development. College name, my organization name I'll write. That is Digitron Solutions. So you would write your college name. Course name, I would done PhD. You write your BTech or whatever. So my mobile number, 2018 I completed. Okay, let me submit this. So now you see there is a green. That means, so Ansita Joshi not got the mail. You not received the mail? We'll discuss. Okay. So now, nice one has come. So if you refresh, you will see if same data is coming, that means it is saved. So refresh the screen. So same data has come. That means it's saved properly. So dashboard. So profile is done. Now you interns profile, you go and see this. This is the latest one I ordered. Now it is appearing here. So G1 is telling yes. So G1, just check what is the issue. She is complaining. We'll check that after the meeting. Then profile is done. So then project charter. So project charter is the project plan, what you are going to make. In my case, my project is internship management system. So I have written something already, so I'll just copy paste so that it will not take much time. So internship management system. So here one small defect bug is there. The team, so by mistake it is unique, I added unique. So it is a unique string only it is taking. So what you have to do is when you are doing some 4 or 5 people combinedly, if you do the project, first write your name. then you write your team member's name. Then this will not give any problem. Otherwise, it is not saving. So, in my case, my name already I have written. So, what I will do, I will write in this way. So, already Anpunathan I have written in many places. So, it will not, it will take only unique value. So, I will change the, only Nathan I write. So, abstract. Abstract is the one you write what your project is going to do. So, we will send the demo video along with the registration link. So, need not, okay, G1 is okay, you help her to resolve this issue. Then research purpose. Then research paper is yeah, here on research paper effort. Then I referred one article also. I will write that name also. So article name I will write here. So that is medium article. So you also refer when you do your project, you refer some research paper, some article, then GitHub repository if you find it's more than no good actually, because within 2 months if you want to finish the project, you find some suitable GitHub repository and then start your project from that point. Then crack the code. That is easy. Instead of writing from the scratch, you take some GitHub repository and crack the code. That is easiest way to understand the technology. Our motivation is to understand the technology, not code. So code part you take it from GitHub always. So the technology involved in my case is MERN actually, Mongo, Express, React and Node. So list of hardware, maybe PC, laptop and Google Cloud platform is required. Software again same only. In my case, Mongo, Express and other thing. Then VS Code also. I'm using VS Code also. So then start date. So to the surprise, 10th October only I started. 20th October I completed. In between 5 days I was in Goa. So even though 5 days I was in Goa, I could able to complete this project. So that is the speed I am expecting. So you can also do in the same speed. So then delivery one features as you are seeing here. So these are all the features. So then some more features we are planning. So yesterday Dr. Apte sir has given many requirements. So that also we are going to add. Anyway, some samples I'll add here. Then as you know, you have done some exams and all. Our HR managers are conducting online exam. For example, Digitron online exam. So this is the one our HR managers are using to conduct the exam. So they are planning many tests here. So planning the test and then conducting the test also. At the end, if you go to the test, you will get the all the scores of it. For example, this student has scored 2 out of 10. So like that, we'll get the score here only. So this is the way our online test is going on. So what we are planning is, so can we integrate in this system only? That we are planning. That may happen very soon. Now let me submit this. So all data I have filled. So 2 months time I have taken because AACT is asking for 2 months time. AACT is looking for 2 months internship program. So anyway, that is the reason I have taken 2 months time. So let me submit now. See, here it is coming green, but when you refresh, the data should be there. Otherwise, it is not saved. See, successfully it is saved. I refresh, still it is coming. So this is the first thing you will do. You have to plan your project. So once the project is planned, then 4 demos you have to plan. So where will we get to know about our project name, or we have to choose on our own? Better you only search and find in the as I told you, see whatever the advertisement what we have given. the AICT site, I'll show you the links and all. So there I have listed the number of projects. So I will open and show you. Okay, at the end of the list of projects I will show you. At the end of the demo, I'll keep it. Just hold for some time. I have the list somewhere in my machine. I'll take and show you. Don't worry, I'll show the list of projects. So let me continue and finish this. Then at the end of the session, we have a question and answer. That time we'll take your question and discuss. So demo one highlights. So as you see, so this is the demo what I am going to show now. So I have YouTube video also. So I have added YouTube videos, and we have the link also. So then this is the demo one highlight. For example, we have deployed the project. Then YouTube will publish the video. So like this, you have to give the highlights. So these are all we have to define, to be defined. This also to be defined. This also to be defined. Even GitHub link also you have to add. So GitHub link, whatever your source code, you have to check in into the GitHub, and then you have to show that link also. So don't forget that. So our mentors will review all your data, and then they will give the marks or grades based on your whatever you submitted. Even I have created a GitHub link for this. I will add the GitHub link also. So this is my GitHub. So I'll open and show after finishing this one, the presentation. So then I will submit. So here nice one is coming. Anyway, I will refresh and see. So basically you have to give 3 links actually. One is GitHub link and YouTube link of your demo. So then you article, Medium article you have to write. It's a kind of know-how document. So know-how document is like how you have done the project. If somebody want to reproduce your project, it should be possible with that document. So know-how document also. As of now, I not created know-how, but I have PPT. So that PPT I will share with you. So how to use this manual and all. So let me refresh and show you. Okay, refresh. So it is saved properly. So now let me go to the next step. So offer letter. So once you've done the test, now you can apply for offer letter. So for example, I'm writing my name. Then mail ID automatically. Here reference number will come automatically. This is the number. Suppose tomorrow some MNC HR is calling us and asking the background reference, background verification. If they do, this reference number will refer and then will give. For example, here assume the marks are 60 marks out of 100. So we'll convert to 100 and write the marks. The pre-test, as I told, our HR managers are conducting and you are also attempting. So this pre-test mark is very important for getting the offer letter. So then designation, mostly software engineer, or it can be the aerospace engineer, something like that. So gender, Mr., Miss and all will add in the offer letter. So for that gender we need. Then data application, today's date. Then effective date of internship. The date of joining. For example, you joined already 2 weeks before. Then you write date of joining when you started your actual project. Then you save this. So now a nice one is coming. So that means we'll refresh and see. Okay, done. Now the data is saved properly. Now you see there is apply button is enabled. So now you click on this. This apply button you click. See now nice one is coming. Now see when you press the apply button, let me show one mail. Yeah. See, I have received the mail here. You see, when you press the apply button and don't click frequently many times. So one student just like that he clicked 100 times search. So report spam is coming. You have to click looks safe. So this is the data whatever I have sent. So this is the name, email, reference number, application date, effective from, designation, and marks, gender. So these variables, these are all variables because my third semester students, they created robotic process automation to generate the offer letter automatically using these variables. So when you click on this, you will get the mail. Based on this, we will prepare the offer letter automatically, and then we will send to you. Even mail sending also automated. So all our third semester students, they are very, very intelligent students. They created many robotic process automation. One is the WhatsApp group, whatever you join, it is created by automatically by my third semester students. Then the email bot, which will send the mails automatically, that is also third semester students only. Then the offer letter generation, that also done by our student, the third semester students only. So like that, they have achieved many things. So otherwise, it is almost difficult to handle this much big crowd because so many people applied. So we have to handle the crowd. So we are introducing robotic process automation everywhere, wherever possible we are introducing. So now dashboard you go, again internship certificate, same way you have to fill. So here I will tell you to get the internship certificate what you need. So name, the mail ID will automatically come from your login. So here also reference number is unique. Then data application maybe today's date. Then internship start date, maybe 1st October you started, then you completed on November last 2 months, okay. So then software engineer or whatever designation, what you want. So you write there. Then gender, male, project title, internship management system. So my project is internship management system. So then college name, my organization name I will write. In your case, you would write your college name. Then here YouTube project demo, I showed you now. See in the last tab I showed you the YouTube link. You would write here. So some mentor will review this, whether you completed properly or not. Then GitHub link. So in my case, whatever I have, I will write that. Just a minute, I will copy paste. So I have the YouTube link, GitHub link. So GitHub link and YouTube link also I have. So that also I'll write. So then article. So article I not created anyway. There is I have to create letter. So then you have to pay rupees 500 per certificate. You have to Google Pay. You have to send the to this number 9986213430. That transaction ID you have to add. In my case, I assume some number is there. So save. Now let me save this. So once it is saved, now you refresh and see whether it's really saved or not. Yes, now you see apply button is enabled. So now you can apply for internship certificate. So once you apply, I'll show you one mail should have come to me. Yes, you can see the mail. Whatever data we entered now. So you don't click many times because many mails will come. It will like spam. It will become spam actually. So all the data, these are all variables. Because my third sem students, they created a robotic process automation. So they will use this and they will generate the internship certificate. So these are all variables. So write all the data very clearly. So don't do some mess up things. Don't do. So then next step is the last step. We'll go to last step now. So letter of recommendation, almost same only, just name. And here also reference number, unique number, data application, today's whatever date you apply. So here Mr. Miss to add, then we need the gender. College name, in my case, I will write my organization name. So then here also you have to pay rupees 500 per certificate through 99862134. This number is visible. You can send this. In my case, I'll assume some number here. So then write up is required. So here you write whatever you want to get the certificate, because you have some unique steps, whatever you've done, whatever your achievement, you write that unique things, and then you will get the. So here some write up is required. So do some write up, and then you save this. So once you save, refresh this, whether really you have saved or not, then apply button is enabled, just apply. So now you see one more mail has come or not, just I'll check. Let me load and check. Yeah, I have received one more mail, letter of recommendation. So here I have got the data. So if this information, this kind of alert comes, then you could look safe, then it will be okay. So these are all the different variables which will be used in the robotic process automation. So that's it. So my demo is done. So now I will hand over to Dr. Apte sir to inaugurate and launch the system and then start the motivation speech. At the end of his speech, we will have question and answer. I will prepare whatever questions you posted. By the time I will prepare answers and keep it ready. Sir.
Anuradan sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Put those 5 verticals.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good evening, students. I think there are about 60 plus students. The demo has made it very clear how this AICT internship registration is done, how you declare what is your project likely to be, and you successfully complete it and get ultimately the letter recommendation, which you can show it to prospective placement. But suppose I was a student, what is the roadmap for me when I actually want to get into this system? So if I am a second year, third year student, then I am not immediately seeking a job, but then I want to do some good activity commensurate with my background knowledge up to that point. So I will first register, and then I will pick up one of these verticals. So first one is a blockchain developer training. The second one is digital marketing internship. The third one is Android internship. Then it is the IoT internship. Is a machine learning internship. Now these are the 5 verticals Dr. Anbunathan has selected because the Digitron has a specialty in this. Later on, some more internships also will be, topics will be added. But it is likely to be limited to the Digitron specialization. The reason is that he will have people to act as mentors in any one of these in which you are interested. For example, mechanical engineering topics are not there, other civil engineering and other subjects are not there. But the whole idea is AICT has approved 2,000, 5,000 students for this particular 5 verticals. The AICT has got a much bigger plan, so they will probably give it to 30,000, 50,000 students. So if I was a second, third year student, then I am interested in doing some interesting projects, and then I will apply for the certificate. For that, I will have to submit some, YouTube, or I have to submit some PPT, or I have to submit some write-up which is in text form, and then the mentors will actually read or see your YouTube or read your report and give you some grade. You have to pass the grade, and in your certificate that grade will appear. Say you will get 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10, and so on. If I was a final year student, then I expect something else from this. So I have recommended that this additional thing should be a part of this IMS, the internal management system. So in the final year, I would like to find out students who are similarly interested in the topic that I am interested in, say robotics or some part of digital marketing and so on. So through this list of people, which are now 1729 here in the green box above there, so I can pick my colleagues, 4 colleagues, and then we can actually work together as a team. And this team will actually take a project, the duration of which is suggested by AICT is 2 months. That means we don't want to take it a long drawn process. Take a specific activity and see how much you can do in 2 months. And therefore, these 4 students who may or may not belong to the same college or in the same locality, can be anywhere. And we will add to this system, IMS system, some mentors. So just like the student registration, we will also have approved mentor appearing there. And the students with their project profile, whatever they want to do, they will read the mentor profiles and approach this mentor for giving them advice. And then we will allow them to be coupled to each other. So we call that student mentor group. And the mentor will then give advice periodically and so on. He will then approve your activity is complete. And then you will be applying for that the certificate. And the certificate, some external mentor will evaluate that, not your mentor. Your mentor was supporting you and helping you. So some other mentor will evaluate that and you will get a certificate with marks. For the 4th year students, very close to their finishing, they can get a certificate of or a recommendation. So this recommendation also will be vetted by these external mentors, because you write anything and everything, it is not going to go through. It will be vetted or checked by external mentor, and then that certificate, recommendation certificate will be issued. So I see a lot of positivity in starting as early as 2nd year, 3rd year, I'm talking of BTech, and MTech also can start as early as 1st semester, 2nd semester. You don't have to wait till 3rd and 4th semester. But whenever you become aware of this AICT mentorship program, you are welcome to join the groups. So I think this is a very useful activity. It is an officially approved activity, and it will slowly increase in now the number is only about 1700, but this number will increase, and we're expecting lakhs of students to ultimately join this IMS. And therefore, everything that Dr. Anbunathan told you, it is automatically done. That means you receive mail by mail bot and your thing is accepted, and you immediately get a confirmation that your submission is accepted. The only possible delay is, at the certificate stages, where an external mentor has to read what you have done and approve. But I think with positive thinking, professors like me and my colleagues here who are attending, the seniors will initially put their time and will guide you and will take you on that path of success. But mind you, it is just a 2-month activity. It is a short, quick activity. So I wish that this number, 60 people who are attending, will, by word of mouth, will ask their friends also to register and then benefit. And then groups of 4, maximum 5 students can work together and get a, legitimately successful activity which is weighted by our external mentors. So I wish Anmunathan sir and his MTech third semester students a success, and he will keep the system upgraded and make it more and more and more useful. And the students are there to take benefit, join, and then work towards your project. And then you request for certificates where a small token payment is there. So I hope that I have covered most of the points from the point of view of the student. The same way I would have covered point of view of mentors, what is their role and so on. But I will do it at a later time. What and how mentors are to be approved, and what is their job, and how many students they can guide, and all those limits, and the conditions for becoming a mentor. And external mentors are of course there with Digitron Digitransformation group, and they have a task that they have to properly do the checking of whatever has been submitted, so that the grades you receive on the certificate truly represent what is the level of work students have put. Thank you very much, Anmunathan sir. All the best wishes to you and all people who are
Thank you, sir.
joined this group. And I hope that this email bots and all this automation is a primary requirement for such a large activity, which will grow. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak to youngsters, and all the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So I declare this IMS system as inaugurated.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So now, Anmunathan sir, you can take questions if students have.
Maybe Manatos sir, some 2-3 minutes.
Yeah. You can ask Manotosh and Sandeep.
And Dr. Sandeep sir also.
Yeah, this is a very great pleasure to attend the university program. And whatever Professor Apte says, that Professor Apte really there is actually right path. And I thank Professor Ramunathan for taking such a nice initiative and his team. And what I see that this model will propagate now in all India. Not only that, people can work remotely also, either during pandemic or non-pandemic. And now people who are very remote, where there is no information center, they can also work through the system. And this internship group will form the virtual information also. Very powerful. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, Sandeep sir. Hello, Sandeep sir.
I don't see him now.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Then
We
we'll
can
take
ask the
questions.
students. First, start with your own MTech students. What is their experience? Okay. Those who are helping you to develop these various things.
Yeah,
Ask them by name.
MTech students, anybody is there? Hello?
Any one of these names you know, you can ask them.
Okay, I'll check, sir.
Just take the list of
I'll
names.
check the names. So maybe we'll start with Dibanjan. Dibanjan, can you put some 1 or 2 words? He is MBA student, so let him. We'll start with Dibanjan. Hello,
Dibanjan
Dibanjan.
Tarafdar, right?
Dibanjan, can you give some 1 or 2 minutes for your point of view? What is your expectation and how the how this program helps you. Hello,
He is not there. Anyone else?
Jeevan. Yeah. Okay, Divanjan is telling network is very poor. Okay. If you type also, I can read actually. You can type in the chat box, then I will read. Then, so anyone from Mallareddy Engineering College? Hello? Anyone from Mallareddy Engineering College?
No, sir.
So,
Let me okay, Akanksha. Yeah. Can you talk?
yeah. Kansas,
Can
tell
you
about,
unmute and talk?
yeah.
Now I see Sandeep back. We can have a few words from him.
Sandeep sir, please tell about.
I'm sorry, there was some network issue, so I missed.
No problem, no problem. Please talk some, whatever, no, your speech, like briefly.
Give motivational speech to students.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, actually, Apte sir has widely covered everything and giving his own experience, like what he would have done as a student. So definitely, whatever we are looking at it as an internship. So gone are the days when we can learn anything in the classroom, teaching, learning, and we can head on to a better career. So now we need some first-hand experience, and I think and I appreciate and congratulate Dr. Angunathan for doing such a humongous work over there
Thank
and
you.
making a platform available, and that too with such a good user experience. So indeed, it will be an opportunity because there are many students who are just looking for opportunity to go to internship, and then they land up in doing something or other because of not getting a right approach. And at the same time, there are many people who are good at a certain field and who have got good experience and wish to do something for the students, but then there is no linking. So this actually this website is a bridge between those two things, and it would be like giving a seamless output. That is what I feel, and I wish all the best, and I offer all whatever I can do for this. My services will always be there for you. So I won't take much time, but I really, from bottom of my heart, I'm really happy that you have done it and done it very systematically. That is
Thank
more
you.
important.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's hope that we have several mentors and external mentors like Sandeep Vankade sir. He is a professor in his school, right? So I guess that the mentors page will be added very soon, and then the student and the mentors can work together. Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nothing to say. Thank you, sir.
No. I think we must support such an activity and make it.
Yes, definitely. This is an activity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I pick a good name here, Miss Vaishnavi Saini. Want to say
Yeah.
something?
Vaishnavi, can you tell something? And the
No,
another
you
student,
unmute and talk, no? Unmute and talk. Just say a few sentences.
yes.
Are you allowing them to unmute? Okay, now okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please talk, Vaishnavi.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Audible. You introduce yourself from which college and
Okay, sir. Actually, sir, as you know that my name is Vaishnavi Sani, and I am a BCA student. I am doing BCA, and I am in second year, and I am from Aurangabad, Bihar, and my college name is Sachidanand Sinha College, Aurangabad, Bihar.
Hmm.
Okay.
And yes, sir.
So would you like to join and then find 3 other colleagues and do some project together? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think very easy to register, and we'll make this happen soon and add mentors, and then I think it will move properly.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, and you can mute yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sanket Ja, you tell some 1 or 2 lines, 1 or 2 sentences. Sanket Ja.
Sanket is not there.
So he has written, it's a good opportunity for us
Yeah, but I
to
don't
work
see his
on our
name.
project of interest under such a mentorship and get certified from CAICT. Thanks for the platform. Thank you. Then Prasanna Talpati. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. Just now, Apte sir guided us all and he shared his experience. This internship will definitely give us a good experience and it will be very helpful for our engineering career. Yes. So good.
That's good.
Then
Can I ask Upendra Konda? Are you there?
Sir, I'm Dipanjan. My network is stable
Okay.
now. So shall I say something?
Yeah, sure. Dipanjan. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Dipanjan from Escape J. I'm pursuing MBA in HR with HR specialization. I'm in final year. So good evening to all of you. I will not say a lot of things. I just want to say that it's a big opportunity to all of us, even me. And thanks to Digitron Solutions to provide us this opportunity. I want to appreciate Anubhunathan sir and Jeevan and Devan and all the HR members and the people who helps us to build this. So hope we can go a long way through this. Thank you all and all the best. Do your best.
Yeah.
very good. Thank you.
Actually, you should add one extra thing just after the recommendation, a placement page. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
should be our plan from the MBA HR side. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dipanjan. Anmuradhan, you please note that.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Placement, one page you'll add.
Placement page
Placement
on the dashboard.
Yes, sir. So what should be there in that, sir? Placement page.
No, that means the company's placement.
Okay.
Company's names who want to place people with a certain.
Okay. So the whatever requirements, JDs.
Their requirements. Correct.
Will actually, as of now, they need some machine learning and blockchain engineers.
Whatever is there now, you already know. So you on your own company name, you say which kind of people you want. So let's begin with that.
Okay.
Digitron. What is the placement page for Digitron?
Okay.
Correct.
I'll add.
So students with recommendation level completion will then look at that page.
Yes, sir.
So it should not be available before they get the certificate and the recommendation. It becomes available only after they successfully get to that stage.
Okay.
Otherwise, they'll waste time, looking here. So, any of the attendees, 46 of them, want to say something? Otherwise, we'll close down.
Sir, one question.
Good evening to all.
Sriya has asked some question. Where will we get to know about our project name? Or we have to choose on our own? Actually, if you see the AICT, whatever advertisement we have given, for example, blockchain will open. So in the blockchain, I will keep this side by side.
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll open this, keep it in side by side, and one by one I'll explain. So this is a blockchain advertisement, what we have given. So if you see here I have given some around 40 plus projects I have given. You can choose any one of, if you are blockchain, I don't know you are from which vertical. blockchain vertical or machine learning vertical. So if it is blockchain vertical, just choose one of the project, or you can select other project also. It's okay. Any project is okay. But when you identify the project, you make sure some GitHub repository is supported for that project, because writing from scratch will take a lot of time. So take some code and try to understand blockchain. Your objective is to understand blockchain, not
Yeah,
understand.
as a student, you have to basically learn, right? So you don't do anything from scratch. You learn from whatever is available.
So already available literatures you take, and then you try to understand what is the literature says. For example, Medium article you find related to your project, then identify GitHub repository related to your project. Then you identify research papers related to the project. Then understand all three and show the demo. So take small increment and show the demo. Every alternative weeks you can plan some demo. At
See,
least, yeah.
let me add, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
So once you have the literature survey and the media articles and whatever is the input available, then you understand that, then your mentor will suggest you what should be your new addition. The mentor will point out to you. But we all have to do it within 2 months, whatever we can do. We don't take more time.
See, your objective is to not only completing the project, whether this project can be patentable or not. That also you have to check. Because see, some of my students, they patented also. So
Yeah, we saw
So
five
within
patents
these
have
2
been
months,
applied.
they patented the project also. So that were kind of students also there. So you have to, when you identify the project itself, you check whether it is patentable or not. So maybe Friday, the demo session, I will explain more. In the Friday 6 to 8, we always keep the demo session. It's not like only Friday we are going to have the demo session. All the days we can keep. But as of now, only 6 to 8 Friday we have. In future, we'll add more and more days, I think. So then.
So, Anurag, do you send invitation to all these 1,700 students or what?
Yes, sir. For demo session 6 to 8, the link we will send to all the WhatsApp groups.
Yeah,
there are 21 WhatsApp groups.
That will be good.
We'll send and the.
But as I just saw while the chats were scrolling, some two students were trying to get together, having similar interests. So that's the main function of this IMS platform.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Once you know 4 students are all of them trying to work on blockchain, then they can work together. That's the advantage.
So whenever you see your dashboard, here you find your teammates.
Correct.
So here is similar interested people.
Correct.
You can get here only. So
Yeah.
you can form a WhatsApp group and then you can
Get together and then firm up what you want to do in 2 months. Correct.
within 2 months you can complete.
Correct.
So similarly, the other also the machine learning. If you see, you will get more than 100 plus projects I added. If you see here in the.
So I think the Digitron site where all these projects are listed is a key input for these so many students. Correct.
Yes, sir. So here, if you see machine learning, 102 projects I added. So
just share the link. Share this link with the 1,700 students.
Yeah, this I will send in the WhatsApp group.
Correct.
Yeah, I will send immediately. Yeah.
Correct.
So
let us stop now.
Yeah.
Enough.
So
Excuse
I
me,
think,
sir.
Who wants to say something?
Sir, yeah, I just had one question.
Okay.
yeah.
Sir, actually, I just missed the test that was conducted the previous week. So, I just got I just asked in the chat box and just got to know it will be reconducted. So, can I just know when it will be reconducted?
Give another chance, Anbunathan.
Yeah, yes, sir. Our HR managers, they will periodically conduct the exams.
And give you another chance. No problem.
Yes, sir. Periodically they are doing. So maybe next they will start again. So next round they will start again. So then students who are left out, they can start writing the test again. So actually the pattern of test is once the link is generated, the registration link will be available for 4 days. So we are giving 4 days for registration. Once these 4 days are done, the exam will open now. The exam is for 3 days. The exam should happen. The exam should take only 30 minutes to 1 hour. But we are giving 3 days for students to complete the exam. Then 7 days is the total time we are giving for one test. So now next period.
So every week there will be a test.
Every week we can conduct.
Correct. Every
Yes.
week is a reasonable number. So break of dawn, I think you will get another chance. That's what it means.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just after giving the test, then I will be able to register on the portal.
Correct.
And then, okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
you have to give the marks here. When you apply for offer letter, the marks you have to enter here. That is the one.
Once you get passing marks, then you will be given the entry.
So not in the profile. If you go to the offer letter,
Offer letter.
so here one field is there where you have to enter your pre-test mark.
So once you have passing marks, you will be able to enter.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And everybody will get more chances. Not an issue.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I have a small doubt. What about the people who are in the Discord group, sir?
What is the question? Sorry.
Uh,
What is,
there in Discord group, there are people who are not registered in AICT internship. What about them, sir?
okay, the Discord group also for similar purpose only. See, you can identify similar interested people in the Discord. See, the idea of Discord also same only. So
No, but you can see whoever is in the Discord, they can also register here. Not a
you
problem.
can register here also. So Discord is just for communication purpose. You can send your messages and
See, there you will not be able to submit the the project plan and all that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you can register here. Discard is a
So-
separate thing. You can register here as well.
Okay.
so Discord has many disadvantages. That is why we created this web page. So now this is the only the students need to register only in this website.
No,
and
what we can do, sir, Anvadar sir, in the Discord group, you add another, footnote. So
Ah.
once you have formed these groups, the whole group people can register in this IMS.
yeah.
So you
So
just
I
give
will
a
send
pointer
the
to
link.
IMS.
So I will send the link here only. Then I will ask everyone to register.
No, but
Okay,
in the
sir.
Discord group, you give that link to
Yeah, I will send.
IMS later.
So whatever the AICT link also I will send in the Discord group.
Correct.
Then whatever link, the web application link also, I will send the YouTube. You can get the YouTube the demo video also. You will get here. So you can, based on this, you can register. Then I have the PDF PPT file that also I will share here.
So
Yeah,
what I want to tell the students, there are about 39 of them, is that this is the first authentic internship group, right? IMS. It
Yes,
is
sir.
done through the AICT guidelines, and therefore I think this is one first government approved, guideline oriented thing, and it will be systematic, and AICT will be looking at it all the time, so that it doesn't become a private thing. So it will be properly authentic group, which is generated for a purpose, the student mentor interaction and completing nice projects within 2 months. So I think anybody and everybody, even if they are members of Discord group or not, they should register here. This is authentic platform.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, I have a small doubt.
Hemant.
Hello.
Speak.
Yeah, yes,
Hemant.
Hemant. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, what is the maximum time to submit our demo video and project detail in your website?
2 months, 2 months is the
No, no,
period.
everything should be done. See, what we want to tell you that the demo detail and those PPTs and the write-ups and all that, we should just do a quick job, not keep it lingering.
Okay.
So, for example, the literature survey and any background reading should be done in 2 weeks, and then activity should be started within a month. No, otherwise you will not finish it. So all those demo and PPTs and write-ups and all that are to be done in the last week, just before the 2 months period.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir.
And after you submit, the external mentors who will look at it and give you marks and all that, that may take a time. But on your side, you should do it within 2 months, not keep it lingering.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So Anbunathan, we have passed the time. Let's stop.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks, everyone,
All
for
right.
participating in this event. So let me conclude here. So once again, thanks to Dr. Apte sir and Sandeep sir and Manato sir, who are our mentors. So, and all, I would like to thank all students who participated in this event. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah.
We hope to do this again after 1 month to take a stock of the situation.
Yes, sir. Yes. After
But
1 month,
you should have activities every week, like conducting tests and so on.
Yeah, conducting demos every week
Correct.
on
So
Friday,
that,
6 to 8. Yeah.
So that the offer letter can be sent to them and so on.
Offer letter will be sent automatically by
I know. But,
robotic process automation.
No, every week you have to conduct the test. No, only after that the offer letter will be given.
Every week our HR,
correct.
They are planning it. Dibanjan and Jivan. 3 HR, they are doing all this.
Yeah, sure. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Everybody.
Bye.
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 Jivan, are you recording all this?
No. If you started recording, it will record. No. now it is too late.
Yeah, Jivan. Hello, Jivan. Hello.
No. You ask them. You ask them privately.
Stop recording now. Then you share the link here. Okay.